Hey, look at this. It's a nice thing. Yeah, and this happened, of course, during one of my visits to the showlands, which I really do every morning. And this morning, early morning, yeah, I came across this beautiful thing, something etched, sketched, and sculptured in the sun. You may call it what you want to call it, but I think it's a nice, beautiful thing. And it appears to me that it's a mermaid. And to whoever did this one, I give you the credit for a very beautiful thing done in the sun this early morning. So I fancied taking a shot, taking a video of it, just to share it with other people. So this is one thing we could do in the shorelines of Ballesteros. We can etch, we can draw, we can sculpture. Nice. This is it. I love this one.